Make sure it's compressed all the way. Once again, it is time for another LAN party. It is Thursday night around 10 p.m. before LAN Friday, and we're gonna be in a new spot this time. We're at my friend Jesse's place. He recently bought a house, so this is our first time landing there. It's probably the biggest house out of all of us, so that's gonna be pretty awesome. As always, I am behind in a current video that I want to get out this coming Sunday. So let's get to editing so I can get this done. He picked up a used pre-built iBuy Power Gaming PC that was listed for $400. I'm really tired. So I think this is gonna be like a 12-minute video, and I have it edited up to roughly like 5 minutes, so not even halfway done. I'm gonna keep going until I'm ready to like really pull my hair out, then I'm gonna pull the plug, and then we'll just see what happens from there. I'm tagging out, so I'm either gonna finish this slowly throughout the LAN party when we have downtime or free time, or I'm just not gonna upload this weekend. But I wanna go to sleep right now. It's only 11:30, so I'm going to go to sleep, and maybe I can edit in the morning too. We'll see what happens. Right now it's just a little bit past 8. So how much time do I have? So I'm trying to get there at noon, 1.5 hours, 10:30 is when I have to leave. So I have about less than 2 hours, and I still gotta pack everything and then put it in the car. Alright, let's do this. How my eyes doing? They don't look too red, so I feel good. I feel like I got enough sleep. So probably edit for half an hour to an hour, and then start packing up and getting ready to go. The non-copper baguette. I've been lucky enough to get. Alright, so for now, I think I am good on editing. Made a lot of progress. Probably gonna have to only work on it for another couple of hours. It's about 9 a.m. and I want to get out of here at around 10. So I have about an hour. Now it's time to pack all this stuff, so let me go get the big Tupperware and do that. So this is my downstairs area where my stuff has kind of creeped into. But yeah, I'm gonna grab one of those. Alright, I think that's all of it. So I'm going to start moving everything downstairs. I'm going to show you what I'm bringing this time in terms of food. Ruffles, sour cream, cheddar, and hot Cheetos this time around. And then for energy drinks, the energy drink cans actually fit into this power supply box really well. I couldn't fit 2 of them in there, but here's my assortment of energy drinks. I'll pull them all out. So I have some amps, which these are all 160 milligrams of caffeine per can. And then you have the kickstarts, which are a little bit lighter. These are 90 milligrams of caffeine per can. These are new. I've never had these before, but I was at Target and they were on sale for like $1 or maybe just a little bit more than that. They have 120 milligrams of caffeine in there, and they're a smaller can. These are 12 ounces versus 16 ounce. So yeah, I'm curious to try these out. They look good. But then the last random one is actually a wired energy drink. I see this all the time at the grocery store. I never think to pick it up because I like amp so much, but this was on sale for like 60 cents or so. So I picked one up. It's strawberry lemonade flavor. In terms of caffeine content, it's around the same as the Kickstart, so we'll see how that tastes. But yeah, Mountain Dew. Wouldn't hurt if you guys sent a care package to one of these LAN parties. That would be awesome. I know we still got a full bottle. We gotta keep the tradition alive. My girlfriend gets so pissed that I keep this Gatorade in the car. Cause I'm not gonna drink it, obviously, it's expired by now, but she just thinks it's trash, which it technically is, but it's a long-standing tradition. She's not gonna get it. Oh crap. Whoops. Not sure what the best way to put this in is. I might be able to just leave this back here, put the chair up front. This would have been horrible if I didn't bring it. The monitor that was just sitting right here. So that's why there was so much room in the car, because this wasn't in there yet. So let's go put this in the car. And then I think I should have had everything, hopefully. Can it go up here? That's sketchy. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna put it on the side. Hopefully it fits. Yeah, alright, I'm more confident in that. Alright, let's go. According to Google Maps, it is an hour and a half to get down there. Not too bad. The weather's supposed to be nice too. It's supposed to be like mid-80s to 90 this weekend, which is really hot for here in Washington. We're gonna be outside, we're gonna be barbecuing, so it's gonna be awesome. But let's get this trip started. Right now, I am here a little bit earlier than when I told my friend I would get here. To kill time, I'm actually stopping by Wendy's. I'm at Wendy's right now in the drive-thru. And I'm gonna get some food because I'm starving. There's no more dollar menu anywhere anymore. They all changed it to like the value menu. Nothing is just $1 anymore. It's all gone up by like 30 to 50%.
Hi, welcome to Wendy's. What can I start for you today?
Can I get 1 second to take a look real quick?
Order whenever you're ready.
Can I get the 4 for $4 meal?
Which one?
Can I get it with a chicken sandwich?
What would you like for that drink?
Coke.
sauce for your nuggets?
Do you guys have buffalo?
No, I'm sorry. We have a creamy sriracha.
Yeah, that works.
Okay, what else can I get you today?
That will be it.
That'll be $4.40.
All right. I forgot that they have these 4 for $4 meals now. It's not too bad. So it actually keeps the price of everything on there $1. Because normally like a chicken sandwich would be $1.30. Everything's like $1.30 to up to $2 on their value menu. But the 4 for $4 meal is you get some nuggets, fries, a drink, and then like a sandwich or a wrap or something, all for $4. So it came out to $4.40. Not too bad.
Hi, that'll be $4.40.
All right.
Hi, welcome to Wendy's. What can I start for you today? Would you like your receipt today, sir?
No, thank you.
All right, we're just waiting on your card.
All right.
No, I'm sorry, I need to go. Have a great day.
All right, thank you. Alright, I am basically here. I'm gonna back the car in so I can get my stuff out easier. I don't see his car, so I'm not sure if he's home or not. It might be in the garage. Oh man, the camera's just shaking all over the place. Alright, so that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Hope you all enjoyed. As always, the rest of the LAN party will be in the follow-up video. Hopefully I don't slack and I get them out in a timely manner. And yeah, I just want to say thank you as always for watching. I'll see you in the next video as well as in the comments below. Bye.